Okay. Hi. Good afternoon, everybody. So, I just got off this uh video, a Zoom with a few of our partners and our leader, and we were doing our vision board. Um, and everybody was supposed to, go out and get their boards and everything. And we was all supposed to do this vision board together. So I'm doing this little tutorial video or this video in reference to our launch that's supposed to start today. We are launching our 50K in 90 days. 50K in 90 days. Okay. So I'm going to start with a little speech, so to speak, or motivational hoopla. I need everyone to think about why they signed up. What was your reasoning behind signing up for being a distributor for TLC? And whatever that reason may be, let's kick it up a notch, because we're going to need each other as a team, as a whole, to be able to kick this in gear so we can all come out on top. And I know some people are still working or whatever the case may be. And you can't really put into it what you really want to put into it. But what we need for everyone to kick it in a notch, log into these trainings, log in to everything you need to be able to succeed, to be able to get to where you want to be. This the vision board party we had was so very motivational for me. I had never made one in my entire life. I had so much fun doing this. And it gave me something to look forward to. I've never really had anything to look forward to until I joined this company, until I joined this business. If someone reached out to you or you inquired about joining, we need to kick this in gear and kick this up a notch. We need you guys. It's really hard for our leader or for anyone to answer questions that you guys may have if you guys don't join in on these trainings. There will be 2 trainings a day for this 50K in 90 days. The one, it will be one at noon, and it will be one at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And our coach is on Pacific Standard Time. So because of the majority of us are on Eastern Standard Time, she alters her time so that she could be on these calls and these Zooms and these trainings with us. So I figure if she can alter her time, we can alter our time. How bad do you guys want this? I know I want it bad. So I need everybody to kick it up a notch and let's do this. We need everybody, and we don't want to leave anybody behind. Excuses don't pay the bills. Excuses don't put money in our pockets. So we need everybody on board. Everybody on board. So I don't know if you guys seen what Remy had put in the group, but I decided to type it up and put it in a Word format. Every Thursday is Closeout Thursday. I call it Closeout Thursday. And closeout is at 12:59 Eastern Standard Time. But we don't want to wait till Thursday. We want our closeout to be quote unquote on Wednesdays. So that way, when Thursday comes, we already set. We done closed out. We done got our next rank, and we moving on to the next rank. So by the time Thursday come, our goal is set. We want to have enough time to be able to hit our goals. And our goal is to hit that next rank before Wednesday at midnight, as opposed to Thursday. So for the next 90 days, every day, we're going to log into our back office and check our volume every day. So if you have over 1,000 or over 500 on one leg, then you have to work on that opposite leg. It's all in the volume. For an example, my left leg is phenomenal. I have almost 3,000 on my left leg volume. But my right leg right now is 560. I'm short 440 for reaching director. So I have to work on my right leg. So when you log into your back office, you need to check your volume every single day to see where you are. So when you're on that opposite leg, oh shoot, I got to work on this, that, and the other thing. And calculate your volumes. Take them volumes and divide it into the amount you need. It lets you know how many kits or how many products you need to sell that will get you that volume. Number 3, how close are you to director or even your next rank? 1,000 per leg is director. 2,500 per leg is executive director. Rising star. And so on and so forth. You need these numbers on each side to be able to make that next rank. Number 4, divide how far you are away by 40 points. That tells you how much products need to be sold in your back office or the last person you signed up. You go into their back office and then you have them, or you place an order. Me personally, I have 1 or 2, maybe 3 people that's placing orders, but I'm not, because I want this so bad. I'm not gonna wait for people to purchase. If I have it, I'm gonna go into the last person I signed up. I'm gonna go in their back office and make a huge purchase. I'm gonna get that back the next day. You're gonna pretty much get that back the next day anyway. But here's the thing: you made your rank. Option 2, divide how far you are by 10 points. That's how many retail or fast starts that leg needs from website orders. Number 5, make sure you are binary. Binary. Bi means 2. It means you need a person on the left leg and you need a person on the right leg. If you can't find anyone to go on the left or right, binary yourself. And if you need help binary yourself, ask somebody. But you guys need to be on these trainings. Tonight we had 4 people. We have almost 50 people in this group, and we have 4 people on the training. Last night, I think we had maybe 6 or 7. Come on, y'all. We got to do better. We need you guys to be on these trainings. Make sure you're binary and you have your have a 120 smart ship to redeem all your money. You got the smart ship in place. You got that volume. Don't wait until the last minute. What happens when you wait till the last minute? The websites are bombarded and it takes a long time for it to load. You rushing trying to get these orders in. You don't get the order in. You don't make that next rank. Don't wait till the last minute. Help the people. If they don't want to put their information in, have them cash app you with their order. You go in, you create an account for them with their email information. I have a video inside the group that shows how to place an order. Send that video to your customers so they'll know how to place an order. Get your link tree in. I have a video in the group that shows you how to create a link tree. Follow rank submissions, verification, and flyer. Let's go. Let's get this. 50K in 90 days. We need more people to step up and do what is necessary for all of us. We're not trying to leave nobody behind. We're not going to leave nobody behind. But we need more of you on these trainings. A lot of you come in the group. Yes, it's okay to come in the group and ask questions. But if you are never, those questions, those answers to those questions are in our Zoom trainings. If you're never on the training, how can the question be answered? Here is informational. The call center for TOC is right here. Or you can go into your back office, you sign in. See, it's Thursday, 12:07. We got to do better. Here's support at the bottom. You click support and you type in what you need. Let's just say order. Let's just say you have an issue with one of your orders. Type that in. Maybe this is not answering any of your questions. Leave a message. Click one of these. You're going to click orders, name, email address, the subject, first and last name, your account number, order number, how they can help, and the issue here. Then you click send. But or you can call this number. And you don't, if they're busy, you don't have to wait. You can leave your number and they will call you back when you're next in line. But we need you guys on these trainings. Today is Friday, new week, May 1st. We're launching 50K 90 days. If you need any help, any assistance, get on these trainings so we can better assist you. I know some of you, it's like it's new to you. You may not be computer savvy. Get on these trainings so we can assist you. We're not trying to leave nobody behind. But I want you guys to sit and think about how bad do you want it? I know I want it bad. I'm not trying to work for nobody else but myself. Anywho, I just wanted to come on here and share this information. Try to throw out a little pep talk there. You know, I'm not trying to step on anybody's toes, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to help everybody grab this bag. 50K in 90 days. We're about to run. It's about to get very, 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 very intense. And we're not trying to leave nobody behind. We want everybody on board. We want to shine above everybody else. We want to close this out phenomenally. If we all work together, we might be able to get 50K in 30 days. Let's do it. What Nike say? Just do it. Let's do it. We got this. Peace and hair grease.